So task number 2 wants us to configure a setting in HR Source in which I need to filter the names which start with a double forward slash. So I'm going to go to HR Source and then under Configuration, there is a tab called Filtering. And then when I get to filtering, what I did was there's a section that says comment character, and so that is the character they want us to use. So I added a double forward slash here, and then I saved it. All right, and then in my CSV file that I'm going to aggregate some users from, you can see that I've got 9 employees, and then I have put a double forward slash in front of 2 of them to simulate that those employees are not entering the company. And so when I do an aggregation, so I'm going to go to Setup and Task, and then I'm going to do a user aggregation. We'll execute that. And then go to task results. And then it shows here that I have only imported 7 of my identities. And that is because we did not import the EMP095 and the EMP096. So if I go back into my identities and identity warehouse and I look for EMP095, there is no employee in this company that has that username or identity. So what I'm going to do is now go back to my file, and I'm going to edit it and take out the double forward slash on both of these employees to simulate these employees joining the company. And I'm going to save this file. And so now when I go back in, I'm going to run another aggregation, and I'm going to execute. And then when I go to task results, you can see here that it says that there are now 2 identities that were created, and we have a total of 9, which is what I originally started with. I just had commented out 2 of them. So very similar to programming is the way SailPoint is working here. All right, and so now I should be able to go into my identities under Identity Warehouse, and I'm going to just check here. So the ones we had commented out was the employee 095 and 096. And so now I should be able to 095, and we have employee 095, and we should also have employee 096 right here. And their information has been updated in the IIQ.